Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton with Peyton Energetics, and I'm a Pleiadian channel and starseed coach. So in today's video, we're going to be talking a little bit about spiritual tools. And if you have heard a couple of my videos, you know that this is one of the Pleiadians' favorite topics, is to talk to us about our spiritual tools. So today the P's are going to be focusing on how important it is for us to make sure that our tools are keeping up with our level of consciousness. But before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. So what are we talking about when we talk about spiritual tools? This is something that you have heard me talk about in so many of these videos, but sometimes we don't actually know what a spiritual tool is. Well, to keep it simple, a spiritual tool is a technique or a process that you do, often in meditation, to shift and move energy. So you can think of tools as being things like grounding or shadow work or integration. These are some of our big power tools. So our tools are ways that we actually move energy. This is how we put into practice, put into action all the spiritual concepts that we have learned. Because one of the things that the Pleiadians have noticed traps a lot of light workers and starseeds is we don't have appropriate tools. It is so easy for us as humans to be watching the videos, following people on social media, and that is wonderful. It's wonderful for us to be gaining spiritual knowledge, understanding the concept, the theory. But here's the thing, y'all. Knowledge doesn't get us very far. As the Pleiadians like to say, knowledge is only about 5% of the process. Then you have to actually do it. And this is where a lot of us fall short as lightworkers and starseeds. We're watching everything, we're learning, we're hearing people talk, but we're not actually moving energy. And as the Pleiadians like to say, if you're not moving energy, nothing is happening. So our tools become very important. It is how we actually do all of the things that we have been learning about. This is the difference between reading the owner's manual of your car and actually driving your car. Nothing happens till you actually get in the car and start to move, right? The same is true with our spiritual knowledge, our spiritual learning. Wonderful to know the theory, but until we actually start to live it, nothing really changes. So the P's wanted to talk today about a couple things that we could take a look at to see if our tools are keeping up with our spiritual development. Now, the first thing that I always like to start off these conversations with when we talk about tools is that it's very important that we have some. This is one of the places that a lot of people fall short. They forget to actually get actual tools. So what this means is if you are watching videos, following teachers, it's important that you be learning concrete tools, how to actually do it. And for a lot of us, we realize no one's ever taught us tools. So the first step is always, if you don't have spiritual tools, to make sure that you get some. Now, here's another thing that we don't often talk about when we talk about spiritual tools. They are not one size fits all. It's really important when you are looking at your spiritual toolkit to make sure that you have tools that are appropriate for you. This is one of the reasons so many of the starseeds get left behind when they are trying to use the tools that everyone else is using. Your tools have to match your energy. And they also have to match your level of consciousness. And this is tripping up a lot of us because so many of the tools that we are familiar with in our spiritual community are a little outdated. They were designed to be beautiful tools when we were 3D humans. But guess what, y'all? We are not 3D humans. So the tools that worked when we were a very dense energy aren't going to be helping us out a whole lot right now. They're just not relevant anymore. So one thing that's really important, especially if you feel like you're not making the progress that you would like to, make sure that your tools are appropriate for you. If you are a transmuter, if you are a grid worker, if you are an anchor, you probably need specialized energy tools. A lot of the ordinary tools in the spiritual community do not work very well for starseeds. We burn through those very quickly and we need bigger tools. So very important to just double check When did you get your tools? If your tools are 10 years old, they're probably not doing a lot for you. If you got a bunch of tools that you just randomly found online, not specified to your particular energy, where you are in your spiritual path, they may not work great for you for very long. So our spiritual tools don't have an indefinite shelf life. For a lot of our spiritual tools, one of the problems that we can run into as lightworkers and starseeds is the tools were designed to work on individual level energies, which means all that stuff you racked up in this lifetime. But here's the thing. Most starseeds aren't here to work on these smaller energies. So that may be why you have noticed that you learned a couple tools. They may have seemed to work great for you for a little while, but they fizzled out pretty quickly. And the reason for this is you used up the tool. And now you're ready for something bigger. So tools work a lot like weights at the gym. Those 2 and 3 pound weights are great when you have never exercised before. But after a couple weeks, you've outgrown them. And our spiritual tools are the same way. So now as we're moving into these really intense planetary energies, we need tools that are a match for the level of energy we are processing. If you are a starseed, you are probably processing massive energies, collective energies for your entire soul entity. These are not going to respond to the garden variety spiritual tool. So one thing that can help if you're feeling a little like you're not making the progress you want, nothing's really changing, is just to check your tools to make sure, first of all, that you have some, because that would be problem number one. So if you have just been listening to all the videos, but you realize your teachers haven't actually taught you how to do this, it's time to get some proper tools. Number two, if you've got the tools, but you realize they're not working as well as they used to, you feel like you've outgrown them, you probably have. You have probably used up that layer of energy and are needing bigger tools. So this is especially the case if you are a transmuter, which just means someone who moves huge amounts of energy through their physical body. Transmuters need special tools because you are working with energy differently than the average human. Our typical tools weren't designed for transmuters or anchors or grid workers. So we have some special needs as starseeds when it comes to choosing our energy tools. So it's very important that whoever is teaching you is giving you tools that are appropriate for your energy. And then here's the other thing. We outgrow a lot of our tools. So it's important to have tools that grow with you. If not, you're just wasting your time because our tools can be wonderful for a short period of time until we have cleared that level of energy. We almost never talk in the spiritual community about the importance of making sure that our tools match the level of energy we're actually working on. That's because most people don't realize that there are different levels of energy. So there's some room for improvement for us when we look at our toolkit, those techniques that we use every day that help us shift energy. Because using our tools is how we move through density. It is how we raise our vibration. It is how we let go of all of those limiting beliefs that keep us in the 3D game. Our tools are the magic part of this formula. So the P's were saying that a lot of us were running on obsolete tools. A lot of our tools are just outdated in the spiritual community. They're not working anymore, especially for those of you who are a little more advanced. For those of you who are moving bigger energies than the typical person, you transmuters out there, and those of you who have a lot of galactic energy, the starseeds, you are probably going to need specialized tools. So this is something that the P's talk about all the time, the importance of this. And if you need help with this, click the link in the description to work with me one-on-one. This is what the P's excel at, is teaching us the tools that match our level of consciousness, because our tools are not one size fits all. So if you need help with this, find a teacher, me, someone like me, who can teach you appropriate energy tools, because they will make all the difference in the results that you are seeing. So that is what the P's wanted to share with you in today's POV. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.